What's going on? Welcome back to Messy Cooking. I'm messy. Today, I'm gonna be cooking this stuff. I'm gonna tell you something. This looks good. You know, I can handle this. I'm not real fond of collard greens, but, you know, it looks good. I think it's gonna be great. The only thing I didn't know what it was a shallot. What the fuck is a shallot? So, I had to look up what a shallot was. Let's do some cooking. This looks good, and it didn't stink when I cooked it. So I'm ready to try it. Let's try it out. We got all the good stuff in here. Anything with bacon in it, got to be good, okay? Man, I'm in a mess. Told you I was messy. Messy cooking. And messy eating. That's good. Those greens aren't bad either. Hell yeah. Actually really good with that, mixed with that onion. Mixed with that shallot. Well, that was good. Another recipe down. I learned something. I learned what a shallot is. Shallot. And next week, I'm going to try to cook the next thing. And this one is buttermilk waffles with oranges and pomegranates. If you're new, hit the like, subscribe, and the bell. Don't miss my next messy cooking. I'll see you next week.